Hey everyone, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm giving you a closer look at the Tusk Compact Power Harness. Now, we are really excited about this product. It is new to our website, and this is going to allow you to run up to 3 accessories on your adventure bike or dual sport motorcycle. It's also going to help prevent a rat's nest of wires underneath the seat if you're running multiple accessories on one of these bikes. Now, there's fuses inside of here, and each of these leads, it has a corresponding switch, and you can choose whether the leads have key-on power or constant power. Now, where that comes into play is you want to make sure you don't run your battery dead on accident. So if you had your heated grips ran to constant power and accidentally left them on, again, battery could go dead. But if you change the switch inside of here for that lead, you can make sure as soon as the key's off that those heated grips don't stay on. So it's a nice feature. Now, on the other hand, let's say you want to charge your Cardo or cell phone overnight. You can switch another lead so it has constant power or power all the time. And that way that stuff can charge overnight and you don't have to leave your key on. So there's some really cool features with this box. Now, inside of the box, there's a corresponding fuse to each of these leads. And the box, it comes with 5 amp fuses to start out with. In most cases, that's going to work fine for most people, but the kit does come with different sizes of fuses for each of these locations, and that way, if you're running different accessories, we've got you covered. Now, there are a few things you need to be aware of. So the total or the max amperage for one lead is going to be 10 amps, and the total amperage for the box is going to be rated at 15 amps. So be under 15 amps between all 3 leads. To give you an idea of how much power accessories run, one of the higher drawing power accessories that we do run on our adventure bikes is the Squadron Pro. So that thing is pulling 42 watts or 3.5 amps. So that kind of gives you an idea. We're going to be just fine with our 5 amp fuses, but if you do find an accessory that pulls more amperage and it's 10 amps or less, you can swap that fuse out. If you want to know more about this, you're going to want to check out our how-to video. Now, the last thing you need to know about this is how to connect your accessories to it. So the kit comes with 3 pigtail leads, and these are going to clip right into your power harness, and then you can solder these ends into your accessories or use butt connectors. But if you don't want to do that, the kit also comes with the 2.8 millimeter terminals that you can crimp onto your accessory wires. And then there's these plastic plugs. Those terminals slide right in there and then clip into the power harness. So those are your options for connecting your accessories to this harness. So that's your closer look at the Tusk Compact Power Harness. Again, this is an easy way to get either key-on or constant power ran to your different accessories on your adventure bike. If you need one of these, you can find them on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. So take advantage of that and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like the how-to video for this. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATVMC. Thanks for watching.